Okay, welcome back to the yard. This is part 2. Okay, still working on this. Already took the battery tray out of there now. This battery tray is out. It's over there. You can see it. It's got the sunlight there. Should be able to see it. There you go. Now, it's time to get the 2 screws out of the door. Let's see, one of these size. I doubt it. Let's see though. Nope. Too small. And that is a 11 millimeter. I'm right, but I think this is a 13. Let's see. Yes, it's a 13. Let's loosen it. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera. Yeah, we got that one loose. Okay. One down here. Sunlight is killing it. So like I say, we ain't gonna take it completely out. Until we are there, okay? The only one I'm worried about, only screw I'm worried about really, close that. Let's see. We don't want to. It's still so tight. Still so tight. I think I'll pull these one on out because I don't know. Let's get them out of here because. Okay, let's get a good look at the size. Pretty good size right there. Yeah. Yeah, I can't even see that with my daring eyes. I think it's like a 98. Let's see. Let's get the second one down here. Okay. Got both of them out. And we're going to sit these. See, that's why I don't like just taking them out. Because if I sit these things somewhere. But now that I got it on camera. Let's sit these in the cup holder right there. Alright. Okay, we got those out. It's really tight though still. So, I don't know. It's really tight. It's like, let's take these out too. Matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take them out, and we're gonna put all of them in the cup holder. We just need to look at the size though, because we really need to look at the size. Whatever that is, I can't see it with my bare eyes, but gotta put these on here because I'm telling you, I'll forget in a minute. I'll forget in a clear minute what I did. Let's take them out. That's why I like when they're about all the same size now. Like that one, it's the same size as the one in the door. I like it when they're the same size because can't go wrong. It's when you got that mixed size is what gets you. That mixed size is what gets you. And they're all different sizes. And these one I think we're dealing with. See, so I guess it's okay. We got two different sizes. So well, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. We only got two different sizes. We ain't got a whole lot of different sizes. But this thing is still tight, so it's telling me something is wrong here. Oh, I forgot. You gotta loosen these ones up here with the hood at. Yep, you gotta get the ones up there with the hood at. Hate that. Alright. Let me set this up here. No. Okay. Got to get the one where the hood is at. Hopefully. Yeah, that's it. Like I said, I don't want to get in on knuckle busting areas. I don't like this. You don't know what this hood is going to do. I have cracked the windshield doing this before on a car. I have cracked the windshield. So it's a little bit worrisome, but let's see. Let's just be careful here. Because it has happened before. Let's just loosen this here. Okay. Not going to take that one all the way off at this point. Let's see. Okay. Finally got some movement, guys. Look at that. Finally got some movement. Steady is this hood? Is this hood like firm on here or is ready to jump up? That's what I'm worried about. Is it firm on here or is it ready to jump pop up? I don't know. I don't know. That screw kind of hard to move. So that's telling me that's whoa! It's telling me that some pressure may be on this. I don't know. Maybe not. Here goes nothing. Oh man, it's kind of I'm saying, gotta be careful. This looks weird. Hold on. thing like it might be spot welded to the fender. What? That is crazy. That is crazy. I don't even think it's like that on my Suburban. This thing is spot welded. Is this? I think it's spot welded to the fender. I think this shim is spot welded to the fender. So you will really have to take the hood completely off to do this. That's what it looks like. I think the hood is spot welded to it for sure. Oh Lord, guys, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's spot welded to it. Man, let's see. You can get it off that brace right there. That brace is cool. It'll move on that. This thing is home. Yeah, it's spot welded to it. Good. Drill on that. Gotta drill those spot welds out to take this off. That is crazy. I don't remember it being like that with my Suburban. I don't remember it being like that with my Suburban, but you know, I think I'd rather cut those. I'd rather drill those welds out than to. I'm gonna drill those welds out and to just pop these out. And to just unscrew these screws for the hood right here. Lord. My. I don't know why they would do that. So I have to take the hood off, which I don't want to do, but I can't do it today because I gotta go to the dentist in a little while, so I don't think I got time to do all of that. So oh Lord, I'll tell you, they make things a lot difficult than it should be. A lot difficult than it should be. I mean, it would be fine if you just have to take the hood off. And it'll be fine if I didn't, have something to do, a little bit. So I don't think I'm gonna mess with that. It's crazy. What the hell? we do that, will everything come off. We take that off. No, it won't be because now so we would have to take the hood off. And we would have to loosen that bolt right in there. Can't see, it's kind of dark. Right here, that bolt. See it? Right here. Gotta take that one out as well. So I don't know, guys. That's just the end of the video because 20 minutes is about up. I gotta start using my GoPro. It's like 45 minutes a pop, so. But that's the end of this one, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I know I didn't do much, did I? I didn't do much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard.